Today, we will have a brief introduction to Growatt SPF 6000 ES Plus and AXE battery ESS wiring and parameter settings.
The core parts of the whole energy storage system are SPF 6000 ES Plus single-phase off-grid inverter, AXE LV battery.
Part 1. System wiring.
Before installation, we need to prepare the tools. Power on and off switch button used for turning on and off the inverter. USB communication port for PV keeper local monitoring platform only. Wi-Fi and GPRS port connect to Wi-Fi for GPRS-F monitoring device. Circuit breaker for AC input over current protection. RS485 port for expanding external communication use. The BMS port connects battery's BMS communication port. Part in and part out for inverter parallel operation communication use. Dry contact port provides a switch signal for external device. Current sharing port for same phase parallel inverter connection only.
Before wiring, make sure the switch is off. Connect the PV panel cable from the PV module to the PV terminal of inverter. Battery terminals wiring. Connect the battery BMS communication cable from BMS port of the inverter to PCS port of the battery. Connect the battery power cable from the DC input terminal of inverter to the DC terminal of the battery.
AXE battery is LFP chemistry to guarantee its excellent safety. The modularity of the AXE LV battery system makes it easy to installation with internal plugs. Each battery module is 5 kWh. Maximum of 10 modules in parallel for one cluster. The capacity of a single cluster could reach 50 kWh. If you need more cluster in parallel and then need to use our battery hub device that can realize 8 clusters in parallel, and system capacity will be up to 400 kWh.
AC terminals wiring.
AC port adopts a dual input design with an ATS device, which can connect the utility and generator at the same time.
Loosen the screws on the front cover and remove the front cover. Connect the AC load cable to the AC output terminal. Connect the generator cable to the gen terminal. Connect the unity cable to the AC input terminal. Connect the ground cable. Plug in the monitoring equipment. Parallel installation wiring. The L terminals of each inverter are connected together. The N terminals of each inverter are connected together. Communication cable connection. The N terminals of each inverter are connected together. Each inverter's L terminal connects a phase. Communication cable connection. More parallel solutions reference manual.
Pressing and holding the Enter button for 3 seconds, the inverter will enter setting mode. Press the Up and Down button to select setting programs. Program 05. Battery types include AGM, Flood, USE, LI. If you connect a lithium battery to inverter, please press the Down button to select LI and then press the Enter button to save it. Program 36. You need to press the Down button to select L51 for AXE battery and then press the Enter button to save it. When the inverter is on the normal battery mode, the screen shows normal and LED is green. Then you can turn on the AC input and a PV input breaker.
Next, we look at other common parameters. Program 001. Output source priority selection. Configuring load power source priority. Program 002, maximum charging current. Program 003, AC input voltage range. Program 004, power saving mode enable or disable. Program 014, charger source priority. Program 023, parameter setting for parallel operation.